Okay, I'm going to show you a super quick and pretty eye look. I'm only going to use Mama, Lullaby, and then I'll probably use an illuminator on my brow bone just to spruce it up a little bit. So I'm taking the eyeshadow brush. I'm going in with, I think this is Mama. Yes, which is such a subtle, soft pink. And I am doing my whole lid. Let's get close so you can see it. Super soft, super subtle. We're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So again, all over your lid. I windshield wiper it back and forth and kind of just take it probably up to my brow bone. And I'm just building the color up a teeny bit. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Lullaby. I'm gonna use the side of my eyeshadow brush, get some of that on there, and I am going to put it on the outer corner and just build it up to my liking. And I'm just kind of pushing that brush into my outer corner and into my crease. And then I'm just gonna bring my finger down or my hand down, and I'm gonna just blend it out in circular motions. I'm kind of wiping it against my eyeshadow, my eyelashes. And you have a beautiful, subtle, but a little bit of darker outer corner. If you get any fallout, just clean it up with your makeup brush. Same thing to the other side. Always tap off any excess before you put it on your eyelid. Not so much to waste it, which you don't want to waste it either, but because of the fallout. So again, I'm kind of just like packing it into the outer corner and bringing it into my crease. And then I'm holding my brush a little bit further down and I'm going in circular motions to blend it out. If you want it darker, apply a little bit more, do less blending. I have not set my makeup yet because I knew I would have fallout. Always do, always. Okay, super easy, right? Let's go ahead and take my brush, clean that up. I'm going to use the smaller side of this brush. I'm gonna go in with Lullaby and use it as a bottom liner. And then I'm going to, let's see if I have Pearl Illuminator. I do. I'm gonna take Pearl Illuminator. I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna do right on my brow bone, just to give it a little bit of a shine. And then I always like to take my brush and just make sure it's blended. Easiest eye look ever. Mama, Lullaby, and then I use Pearl Illuminator. And now I'm gonna add my mascara and I'm done. See ya.